Man accused of slashing woman's throat in ritual to stand trial in October. Man killed near bar on Caledonia Courts Plaza in Manchester. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Murder accused Andrew Ruddock is set to stand trial in October 22nd this year. He was charged with murder after cutting the throat of a woman during an alleged church ritual at the Pathways International Kingdom Restoration Ministries in St. James in October 2021. Ruddock, who physically appeared in the Supreme Court on Tuesday for a plea and case management hearing, was remanded in custody until trial. A man was shot dead on Caledonia Courts Plaza in Mandeville on Wednesday night. Bar patrons identify him only as Davy. Preliminary reports are that shortly before 11 p.m., armed assailants stormed the plaza and opened fire on the man in the vicinity of a bar. More details to come following further investigations.